Hello viewers, in today's video I will show you how you can install Android 8 on your Huawei Mate 8 which is running Android 7, and in this video I am going to show you how you can install official EMUI 8 version on this phone. You need to enable developer options by tapping 7 times on build number. Then you need to go in developer options and enable OEM unlock. Viewers, you must have bootloader unlock code of your phone. Without bootloader unlock code you cannot do this process. USB debugging is also enabled, and the next step will be to unlock the bootloader. Simply power off your phone, hold volume down and insert cable to enter fast boot mode, also known as bootloader mode. Once phone is connected, it should automatically enter fast boot mode, and here you can see FRP is unlocked and phone is relocked because I already unlocked this phone in past, so just the bootloader is relocked by me, and now I am going to unlock it again. Open the minimal ADB, and here we need to type command fastboot space OEM space unlock space, and then we need to paste the bootloader unlock code. Viewers, bootloader unlock code is different for every phone, so you have to buy unlock code for your phone before you proceed with this process. Simply paste the code and press enter. Once you press enter, on your phone screen a warning will appear. You need to use volume up to select yes, and then press power button to confirm your decision. Once you press power button, phone should reboot and start factory reset process. All data on your phone will be wiped, so make sure you back up all important data from your phone before proceeding. Phone had just rebooted, and now again we need to set up our phone. You can skip all configurations. You don't need to enter Google account. You should not set screen lock. You should not set fingerprint. You should not enter any Huawei ID. So simply skip all the configurations and reach home screen as quick as possible. Once we are at home screen, next step will be to enable MTP mode so that we can copy Android 8 files on our phone. You should copy all zip files on your SD card. Make sure you have enough space on your SD card. 8 GB SD card will be enough. So you can simply clean your SD card if you have any useless files, and copy these zip files in root directory of your SD card. Don't copy these files inside another folder. Simply open the SD card, and in root directory, in the main directory of SD card, you should copy these files in that location. Once files are copied, you need to disconnect phone from computer and power it off, and again connect in fast boot mode. Now we are going to flash TWRP recovery on our phone. If you already have TWRP recovery, you can skip this step. So you can see now phone is showing unlocked, and we are ready to proceed. Now we need to flash TWRP recovery. Command is fastboot flash recovery space drag and drop the TWRP recovery on the CMD screen and press enter. Once flashing has been successful, you need to disconnect phone from computer and then hold volume up and power key simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons simultaneously. Keep holding until you see TWRP recovery screen. Keep holding even if the screen is black, even at this logo, and when you see this your device has been unlocked message, then you can leave the buttons and the phone should enter TWRP recovery mode. And here you need to swipe to allow modifications, and then you need to tap on install, and you need to go to your SD card storage. You can tap on select storage and choose external SD card. And now here you need to flash dual Q CN zip file. You must flash it first. Tap on it and swipe to flash. Once flashing completed, don't reboot. Keep in mind, don't reboot, otherwise your phone will break. Just go back, and then you need to tap on HUR updater and swipe to flash, and then you need to press volume down button to start the flashing process. It also shows you message that if you want to start the flashing process, you must press volume down. And the version we are using is NXT-L29. Phone will be converted to NXT-L29, which is a developer version, and the build number is B596. We can only use this version because new update will come on this version only. So if you install another version, I cannot guarantee that you will get Android 8 version. So this is basically we are converting our phone to Chinese version, Chinese developer version. But viewers, you don't need to worry. This version also have Google services, so you will be able to use the Google Play Store and all other Google applications. They all work. Now this flashing process will take 5 to 10 minutes. Viewers, make sure your phone have enough battery before you proceed, because if your phone power off during this process, it will get bricked. Okay, the process has been completed. Now we need to tap on reboot system, and here you need to press do not install if it asks you install TWRP app. Okay, now this logo has been changed because it is now converted to a Chinese version, which is okay. You don't need to worry about this logo. Now first boot will take some time to start, and your phone may go into boot loop, and it may ask you for a factory reset, which is a normal process after rebranding your phone to a Chinese version. So now let's wait until this phone starts up. phone just booted up. As I have told you, that phone will be converted to Chinese version, but it is multilingual ROM, so you can choose English at startup screen and then go with the initial configuration. Just like before, you can skip all the initial configurations because we are going to update this phone to EMUI 8, and after that you can configure your phone normally. Okay, phone just started, and now we have a Chinese version NXT-L29, and it is still on Android 7, and now we are going to upgrade it to Android 8. What we need to do is simply connect to Wi-Fi, or you can also use SIM data, and then go in system updates. You will get the update notification there, and simply install that EMUI 8 update. It's almost 2 GB of update size, and here you need to install this update. So it is going to take some time depending on your network speed, and my download has been completed, and now simply press update button. Now phone will reboot and automatically start installing this update. So we are going to install official EMUI 8 version on this Huawei Mate 8. Originally my phone was Middle Eastern version, and now we have made it a Chinese version, NXT-L29, and now it is being upgraded to EMUI 8. We need to rebrand our phone to Chinese version because Huawei is not going to release EMUI 8 for international users. So the only way to get this EMUI 8 on our phone is converting our phone to Chinese version. There are other Chinese versions, but I'm not sure if they will work or not work. This one, that NXT-L29 version, is tested, and the network also works without any problems. About other versions, I don't know. So it is about to complete the update process. After this upgrade completes, you can set up your phone normally. The only difference you will feel after this upgrade is the Chinese language. In some notifications you will see Chinese text, but the phone language you can change to English. You can completely change the phone language. And for contacts, in contacts you will see lots of Chinese numbers, which are basically taken from yellow pages. It is like a marketing thing. So if you want to get rid of these Chinese numbers, you can simply install another third-party dialer or contact application and use it. Don't use Huawei stock application because it will show you lots of Chinese numbers. You can install Google dialer, you can use Google Contacts application. There are many. You can use whichever you like. So this phone has just booted up, and now we are going to see if Android 8 is installed. Okay, we will go with the initial configurations. You can uninstall any Chinese app if you don't like it. And here you can see that phone has been upgraded to EMUI8 version successfully. So if we want, we can upgrade to newer versions using the system update in settings. And you can see Google services are there, so you don't need to worry about the Google Play Store. You can simply open your browser and download Google Play Store, latest version of Google Play Store, and it should work automatically. You don't need any further configurations to use Google Play Store. I will check if Huawei App Gallery have that Play Store, or Huawei just removed it. Okay, Play Store is not available in gallery, so we are going to use the browser and search for Google Play Store APK file. You can download from any website. There are many websites on the internet which are providing APK files. Just make sure you download the latest version. If you download an older version, it will take time to update itself, and then you will be able to use Google Play Store. So I need to find a reliable link here. APK Mirror is also okay. If you are comfortable with APK Mirror, you can use that website, or you can use APK Pure website. Both have these APK files. Make sure to provide storage access to browser, only then you will be able to download the APK file. Now we need to install this APK. Make sure when it asks you for the permissions, you allow all permissions for Google Play Store, otherwise it will crash. So it will say that it is a security risk, blah blah blah. You should select that I am okay with this risk. Okay, you can see that it is asking for Google account, so Play Store is working fine. You can simply, after logging into Play Store, you can download other Google applications like Gmail, YouTube. Everything should work. So this is how you can upgrade your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos in future.